Alright, what's up YouTube? Welcome to New Parents in Training. So today we're going to review this new jogger that we got. It's called Jeep Unlimited Range. So this is really unlimited range because it doesn't use gasoline. But anyway, we got this off Sam's, but they also sell it at Amazon. So I put the product information down in the description below so you can go check it out. If you ever shop at Sam's, you will kind of know that their product selection is very limited. So whenever they actually put something on the shelf, it actually means like the product meet certain criteria. That's what we noticed. They only offer product that's decent in terms of quality and in terms of value. And they will sell that in their warehouse. Once we realize this particular stroller is there, then we figure, you know what, it might not be a bad choice to try this out and see whether or not this is actually any good. And also this stroller is relatively affordable. I think at the time of filming it's only just under $140. So anyway, today I'm going to unbox it and then try it out. Toward the end, I'll kind of give you pros and cons about this stroller, so stay tuned. So once you open up the box, the assembly part is very straightforward. Even though according to the instruction, you need to assemble the front wheel, but for our particular stroller, the front wheel is already attached to the body. So the only two wheels that are missing are the rear. So the rear one, you just push it in and it goes onto the body. They do provide you with two other items. One is a tray. The other one is a cup holder that goes on to near the handle. I'll show you how to install that in a little bit. And this stroller is intended for children up to 50 pounds or 42 inches. Alright, so before you hit the road, you have to pump air into the tires. So yeah, this type of tires, you do require to pump air into it. So for the front wheel is 35 psi and for the rear wheel is 36 psi. I found it much easier if you have an automatic air pump. Otherwise, you need to use a manual air pump to pump up the tires before you go out. Alright, so let's talk about the two accessories. First of all, let's talk about the cup holder. The way that you put onto the cup holder is near the top where the handlebar is. You can only put in one way. As you can see from the video, what you need to do is to put the cup holder where the silver sticking out point is near the top of the handle. The cup holder is pretty cool. Not only you can put 2 bottles of water on either side, but in the center, there's a tray where you have a separator as well, where you can put a cell phone underneath or keys or wallet in there as well, and you have a cover that can cover the center portion. The other accessory they provided is the tray for the baby. Tray is quite unique. Once you have it installed, you can open up either side so you can get the baby out relatively easily. They also provide you with adapters for car seats for Britax B Safe 35, Chico Key Fit 30, Greco Snug Ride Click Connect 30, 35, 40, Event Flow Nurture, and Event Flow Embrace. The adapter will go onto where the tray is, take the car seats out of your car, and then put on top of the stroller with the adapter. Aside from the cup holder on top of the stroller, there's one more storage unit on the bottom of the stroller, but it can only hold up to 3 pounds of goods. To fold up the stroller is relatively easy. You can leave the tray and the cup holder on. You don't have to take them out. What you need to do is to make sure the front wheel is not locked though. The way that you fold this is by pulling up on the side. There's 2 taps on each side. You pull up and then you push the stroller downward and it will fold up. On the right hand side of the stroller has a little tap where you can secure the entire stroller via that tap. To unfold the stroller, simply unhook the secure tap, pull up the entire stroller, and it will just unfold itself. Alright, so let's talk about the brakes on this stroller. It has 2 brakes. So if you want to park this stroller, you have to step on both brakes on the bottom. The child seat can be adjusted. Initially, it will be in a reclined position, and by squeezing the tabs and you pull the string, it will adjust the seat upward. To recline the seat again, and same, just squeeze the tab and pull down. The harness for the stroller, only the shoulder harness can be adjusted the length, but for the buckle that go in between the leg, that one cannot be adjusted. This stroller does provide you with a safety feature while you're running, as the hand strap. So the hand strap is for you to strap around your wrist. That way it gives you a better control of the stroller while you are running. It does have Velcro on the strap, so you can tie it to the handlebar once you are done. Now, what's so good about this hand strap is you can switch from the right hand side or to the left hand side. The way that you switch it is through the bottom, where you can just pull from one side to the other. If you intend to run with this stroller, you must lock the front wheel. The way that you lock the front wheel, there's a red tab right above the front wheel where you can push upward and spin the wheel until it's in the lock position. All right, so let's talk about the pros and cons regarding this stroller. This stroller is actually a really decent jogger. The front wheel, once you lock it, this thing actually able to turn while you are jogging. I have tried many other jogging strollers, but normally when you lock the front wheel, it's really hard for you to turn. Now on the flip side, if you do not lock the front wheel, the wheel will become really wobbly. The stroller will become really unstable, so be careful with that. I really like the pricing. The price point for this is really affordable. Just right under $140. This is a very decent jogging stroller. And one other thing, unlike many other strollers I have tried out, this does provide you with a hand strap that you can switch from the left or to right. The hand strap is really convenient for the parents to jog with. People like to use their left hand at times, and sometimes they want to switch to the right hand. With the hand strap that can switch side, it really helps. And also this stroller does provide you with an adapter for certain car seats. So that way you can just take out your car seat and put right on top of the stroller for those people who have younger kids. The con for this stroller is that it has limited storage. It does provide you with a cup holder, but then again, the bottom basket can only hold 3 pounds. So the storage is very limited. And also the canopy for this stroller does not cover the entire car. So if you want to take your baby out for a jog in this stroller, in the middle of the day, you might have to apply sunscreen on your baby. The last complaint I have with this stroller is its braking system, which is kind of odd. Usually the stroller only have one brake. When you are trying to park this car, you have to step on 2 brakes instead of just 1. That makes things very inconvenient. Aside from those cons, I really think this stroller is for people who want to take their baby out for a jog, but on a budget. I would recommend this product to any parents who are looking for a budget-friendly jogging stroller. So anyway, if you have any questions, comment down below. Until next time, bye.